biggest thing you can do to extend the lifespan of your siding is to make sure it's installed right in the first place. James Hardie siding is a very specific product, and it has very technical instructions that you want to make sure that you have it properly installed so that that warranty is in place. Things about grade requirements and different areas around the home where we're going to need to make sure that that siding's installed properly so that you have that warranty. Putting gutters on your home, that can help to bring the water where you want it to go, so you don't have the water dripping over the roof and just splashing up on the siding. Keeping areas clear of snow around your driveway and that kind of thing, that also helps to extend the lifespan of the siding that you have.